Hello. In this video, we're going to go over finding the domain of the composite function f of g. So the first thing we need to do is find the composite function. From there, we will find the domain. So first we need to find f of g. F of g is g inside of f. That's how we rewrite this. And then all we have to do is replace every x in f of x with g of x. And thus we get 4 over 5 over x plus 5. Next, what we need to do is clean this guy up. So we have 4 over, and this is 5 over 1. So we're going to get a common denominator, multiply top and bottom by x. Oops. Next, we're going to continue to clean it up. 5 plus 5x is all over x. At this point, we have too many fractions going on. So that's your hint to always multiply by the reciprocal, sorry. And then here we go. Oh, man, let me rewrite that so it's just a little neater. So the denominator will now just cancel. And if you need to rewrite the numerator as 4 over 1 times x over 5 plus 5x. This will give us 4x over 5 plus 5x. And that is our composite function. Next, what they're asking for is the domain. So the domain is asking for any restrictions within this function given. What we know is there are 3 restrictions: the denominator, the square root, and the square root that's on the denominator. This one we can see it's a denominator. What we know about a denominator is the denominator is not allowed to be equal to 0. So we set 5 plus 5x does not equal 0. We solve for x by subtracting 5 over first, then dividing by 5. We get x is equal to -1. So -1, or it doesn't equal to, right? Sorry, doesn't equal to. So at -1, the domain does not exist. Therefore, my domain exists at every point but there. So it will be -infinity to -1 union -1 to infinity. And that would be the final answer, the domain to the composite function.